Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are very fine and enjoying your good health at your homes. This lesson is for class 4th. It is lesson number 13. Today is Monday and it's 20th July 2020. And this video lesson is presented by Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Duktarane Millat Higher Secondary School Mandir under a beautiful vision and mission. And its vision is to develop a prosperous and God-fearing society on the basis of education, and our mission is to develop the students into model executives of future by the best balance of academic and character building in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah. Dear students, our message of the week is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam نے ارشاد فرمایا لیسا منا من لم یرحم صغیرنا ولم یعرف شرف کبیرنا. اس کا ترجمہ کچھ یوں ہے: اس کا ہمارے ساتھ کوئی تعلق نہیں جس نے ہمارے چھوٹوں پر شفقت نہ کی اور ہمارے بڑوں کی عزت و شرف کو نہ پہچانا. پیارے بچوں، ہمیں بڑوں کی عزت کرنی چاہیے اور چھوٹوں پر شفقت کرنی چاہیے. یہ ہمارے پیارے رسول صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کا حکم ہے جو کہ ہمیں ہر حال میں ماننا ہے اور اس پر عمل کرنا ہے. Let's come to our lesson. Today we will discuss reading of unit number 3 and then words meanings of same unit. Our first step is reading and it's unit number 3 and its title is Thank You Teacher. Let's start our reading. A couple of months ago, my family had to move to Lahore from Karachi because my dad had got a new job in Lahore. I was very sad to leave my school and classmates. In Lahore, I got admission to a school in our neighborhood. I found it hard to adapt to a new school environment. I really missed my old classmates with whom I had spent a lot of time studying and playing together. I was shy by nature, so it wasn't easy for me to mix with my new classmates. During break time, I would sit alone in a corner of the schoolyard watching other students playing. I was a good student, but I began to lose interest in my studies. I had also missed out on some classes, but I made no effort to catch up with the rest of the boys. No wonder I got poor grades in the first monthly test at the new school. After handing over the result sheets, our class teacher Yasir called me to the staff room. So let's come to next page and let's start. Sir Yasir, boy, you are not showing interest in your studies. What is the matter with you? Me, sir, I miss my old classmates badly. I have no friends here. I feel alone here. Sir Yasir, I will help you make new friends. In return, I want you to show me that you are really good at studies. Now you can go to your classroom. The next morning, Sir Yasir called me to the front of the class. Hamza is new in the school. Who wants to be friends with him? He asked, addressing the class. All the boys raised their hands. That's good, boys. Today you will invite Hamza to play basketball with you during break time, said Sir Yasir. So we played together and I enjoyed it a lot. My classmate would invite me to play with them every day. Soon I made many friends in school. Meanwhile, Sir Yasir gave me extra attention so I could make up for the classes I hadn't attended. He motivated me to work hard. Then came the next monthly tests. I got A grades in all the subjects. I owed my success to Sir Yasir. So I wrote the letter to him on Teacher's Day to thank him for his help. Here is a letter which is written by Hamza. Let's start with it. March 15, 2017. Dear teacher, I am writing this letter to express my gratitude to you for being so helpful to me. You did a great job and I have no words to express my feelings. I was having a difficult time adapting to a new school environment and making new friends at school. Besides, I had lost interest in my studies. You helped me overcome my problems and put me on track again. I owe all my success to you. I am so fortunate to have a teacher like you. I look forward to your continued guidance so I could excel in my life and studies. Yours sincerely, Hamza. I gave my letter to Sir Yasir on Teacher's Day. He read the letter and his eyes shone with gladness. He patted my shoulders and said that a student's success was a real achievement for a teacher. So we have done with reading. Let's take our next step, and that is words meanings. Our first word is gratitude. Gratitude, and its meaning is thanks. Thanks. The next word is overcome. Overcome, and its meaning is control. Control. Next word is achievement. Achievement, and its meaning is success. Success. Let's repeat it with me. Gratitude, thanks, overcome, control, achievement, success. Dear students, there are some more new words. Owed, be bound. Owed, be bound. Gladness, happiness. Gladness, happiness. Motivated. Motivated, and its meaning is encouraged. Encouraged. Let's revise it. Owed, be bound. Gladness, happiness. Motivated, encouraged. So we have done with words meanings. It's time to note down your diary. and it is read the whole lesson, unit number 3, and write words meanings on your summer pack. I hope you all students get this video lesson very well. So it's time to leave. But before leaving, I want to tell you that there is an assessment on your summer pack, that is assessment number 2. You have to do it very well and carefully and honestly. So it's time to leave. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.